Yun na yung mga participants
Yeah.
natin. Yes.
At competition proper is
31 to November 3.
31 to November 3. Sige po, yung invite natin, Coach Len.
Okay, sa mga kababayan po namin, salamat po sa suporta ninyo. At lalong-lalo na po yung mga national team natin, Masters, Junior, coaches, at sa lahat ng mga taga Puerto Princesa, maraming salamat po. Mayor Byron, Philippine Sports Commission, thank you so much. Philippine Olympic Committee, maraming salamat po. Tingong sa pangunguna po ni Congressman Yeda Romaldes, and of course our House Speaker, Martin Romaldes, and Sir Vincent Marcos, thank you very much for the support, and Ms. Pia Cayetano, Senator Pia Cayetano, at si Senator Tol Tolentino, maraming salamat po. At sa inyo pong lahat, maraming salamat at God bless us all.
Thank you very much, Coach Len, and more power, Team Philippines, and our organizers, Puerto Princesa, and our National Federation. Maraming salamat po. Until next time here, God bless everyone.
Thank you.
Sorry, akala ko hindi mo